Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. In today's video, I'm going to be walking you through this easy to achieve no makeup look. So if you're ready to learn how to achieve the look, definitely keep on watching and we'll get to blending. The first thing that we are going to do is take a brow spoolie, and I'm just going to brush all of my brow hairs upwards so that they are all in the same direction. I like to start off with my eyebrows first, and today we're going with a very light eyebrow, so I'm using the Maybelline Brow Tattoo Pen. I'm using the shade medium brown, and with this pencil I'm going to begin making hair-like strokes using a very light hand. The tip on this brow pencil allows you to make very realistic hair-like strokes, so it's like a microblading pen in a way. So with that pencil, I'm just going to recreate little hair-like strokes, focusing on the outer portion of the brow so the front part is not too heavy. And after I feel like my eyebrow is filled in enough, I'm going to go back in with that brow spoolie and blend it all out. Next, I'm taking the NYX Micro Brow Pencil, and I'm using the shade Taupe, and I'm going to begin by drawing a line underneath the eyebrow. I'm still using a very light hand, but I still want to give some structure to my eyebrow, but still keep it natural. So make sure with whatever brow pencil or brow product you're using, use a very light hand and keep blending. As I am drawing the line at the bottom of my brow, I'm pushing the brow pencil upward to make small hair-like strokes to recreate eyebrow hairs. Next, I'm going to go in and clean up the eyebrows. I'm using the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer in the shade Neutralizer, and I'm using an E15 flat definer brush from Sigma to clean up the eyebrow. Now, we're not actually sculpting out the eyebrows, I'm just cleaning them up. I want a clean eyebrow, not something that's super sculpted. And one more time, I'm going to go in with the brow spoolie and just blend out my eyebrows. And of course, we need to set the eyebrows. I'm using the NYX Control Freak Eyebrow Gel. I feel like it really gives my eyebrows volume and really plumps them and makes them look twice as full as they really are, and they keep the brow hairs in place throughout the day. Moving on to the skin, I'm going to go in and moisturize with my Believe the True Cream Moisturizing Balm. I love this moisturizer so very much. It moisturizes my skin without over moisturizing it, so it gives my skin exactly what it needs and nothing more. We are not wearing any foundation today, so I wanted my skin to look as best as it could. Next, I will be taking the Physicians Formula Spotlight Illuminating Primer and applying a thin layer of this all over the skin. I love how this makes my skin look. It gives it that nice dewy glow without making you look greasy. Next, I'm going in with a small amount of concealer. I use the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in Light, but you are more than welcome to use the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind that we use to clean up the eyebrows. Both are very, very natural concealers, but they give you a small amount of coverage. I like how lightweight this Maybelline Fit Me concealer is as well, and it sits on top of the skin beautifully without looking cakey, so we can get a small amount of coverage without it actually looking like we're wearing concealer. After that, I'm just going to take a small powder brush and lightly set the eyelids and the under eye area. I wanted very rosy natural cheeks today, so I'm going in with my Ambient Blush Palette from Hourglass. I am using the shade Incandescent Electra, so I'm just going to be popping this on the cheeks with my Real Techniques Fluffy Blush Brush. And I'm just going back in with the concealer and covering up any blemishes that I have. I had a few pimples that were like almost done healing but not quite yet, so I wanted to cover up those areas. Just to make sure my lips did not look dry and crusty, I'm going in with the Burt's Bees Vanilla Bean lip balm, and I'm just going to apply a good layer of this to make sure my lips look nice and moisturized. And then I'm going to follow up with the Buxom Full On Lip Plumping Gloss in the shade Celeste. Very beautiful. It's going to add a nice shine to the lips and also make them a little bit fuller. And after that, I'm going to finish off the face with the Tatcha Dewy Skin Mist. If you are wanting to achieve luminous skin, I would highly recommend this spray. You need it in your life. And that is going to complete this no makeup look. I hope that you guys enjoyed. Make sure that you subscribe before you head out so you don't miss out on any of the featured videos I will be uploading on my channel. You guys have a fantastic day and a great rest of your week. Jesus loves you so very much, and I will talk to you in my next video. Bye, guys.